If r bar is xi plus yj plus zk and r equal to modulus of r bar, then prove that del r is r bar by r, del of f of r is f dash of r into r bar by r, del of 1 by r is minus r bar by r cube, del of log r is r bar by r square. So first of all, the point is P x y z, and OP bar is nothing but the position vector. OP bar is xi plus yj plus zk is the position vector, and whose magnitude is modulus of r bar. Modulus of r bar means root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now to prove these statements, first we have to find out these values, that is the partial derivatives with respect to x, y, z. So taking squaring on both sides, r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Now differentiating partially with respect to x on both sides, r square derivative is 2r, but we have to differentiate r also because r is in terms of x, y, z. So dou r by dou x, its derivative equal to x square derivative 2x, y square derivative 0, z square derivative 0, because we are differentiating partially with respect to x, keeping yz as constant. So don't forget, we have to replace r here because r is in terms of x, y, z. We have to give the preference for r also. So just cancelling with the 2r by dou x value is x by r. Similarly, differentiating this equation partially with respect to y and with respect to z, we will get the values dou r upon dou y is y by r, and dou r upon dou z is z by r. Now coming to first statement, taking left hand side, what is left hand side here? Del r. So consider del r. But what is mean by del? Del means I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. It is the vector differential operator or grad. So operating each term with r, we will get I dou r by dou x plus j dou r by dou y plus k dou r by dou z. But we will have the values of dou r upon dou x, dou r upon dou y, and dou r upon dou z. And taking the LCM of three terms, LCM is r xi plus yj plus zk, but given that xi plus yj plus zk is the position vector, that is r bar, so hence first one is proved. Coming to second one, del of f of r, same as above, del is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, operating each term with f of r. So here f of r derivative is f dash of r, and then we have to write dou r by dou x. So taking out f dash of r from these three terms, and r is the LCM, xi plus yj plus zk, but xi plus yj plus zk is r bar. So del of f of r is f dash of r by r. So it is important result to get any value, any function of r differential value, that is vector differential value for function of r. So another statement is del of 1 by r value. So to get del of 1 by r value, we will use this one, that is second statement, del of f of r. What is f of r here? Comparing with this, f of r is 1 by r. Now computing f dash of r. F dash of r means it's a derivative. F of r derivative is f dash of r, that is minus 1 by r square. So minus 1 by r square, but del r from first statement we will have del r is r bar by r. Just multiplying those two, we will get minus r bar by r square into r is r cube. So it is the value of del of 1 by r. Now coming to last one, that is next one, del of log r. So del of f of r is compared with del of log r. So f of r is replaced with log r. F dash of r means its derivative. Log r derivative is 1 by r. Log x derivative with respect to x 1 by x. So like that, log r derivative is 1 by r. Now r bar by r. So just multiplying these two, r bar by r into r into r is r square. Now coming to last one, that is del of r power n, which is to be compared with the del of f of r. So f of r is r power n. Now f dash of r, the derivative of r power n is n into r power n minus 1. So multiplying r bar by r with r power n minus 1, or taking r as in numerator, so we'll get r power n minus 2 into r bar. These statements are important in vector differentiation and vector integration. Don't forget, these values are so important while doing the problems or theorems in vector identities or vector integral theorems. So r bar is xi plus yj plus zk. R is its magnitude, root of x square plus y square plus z square, dou r by dou x by r, dou r by dou y by r, dou r by dou z by